Have you ladies ever met someone who was dressed really well? Their hair was put together. They had on a really beautiful outfit. And then as you scaled your eyes down to their feet, you noticed a big mistake. So in today's video, I'm going to be talking about 5 reasons that your shoes can make you look cheap. But don't fret, ladies, because I'm also going to be showing you how to fix it. I've started this outfit with my pearl necklace paired with my matching pearl bracelet. This silk top I bought from a boutique in Rome, Italy. I've popped on my coral colored belt for a bit of color and paired this top with a pair of black jeans. So the first way that your shoes can make you look cheap is wearing shoes that are ill-fitted. And ladies, we need to pay attention to the fit of our shoes, but if you have a lot of gaping in the shoes, then this is not a shoe that is going to look elegant for you. Also, when your toes are not fitted properly off into the shoe, this is also going to make you look cheap. And the next thing about a properly fitted shoe is if your heels are hanging a 1/2 inch or more off of the back of your shoes, then this is a definite no, because it's going to make you look cheap. It's going to make you look like you don't even know how to fit your own self for a pair of shoes. And I know, ladies, sometimes shoes are so cute and you just want to get them anyway, or they're on sale, or for whatever reason you want to purchase them. But remember, ladies, as an elegant woman, the fit of our clothing and our shoes is extremely important. Now, the third mistake I want to talk about with regard to the fit of our shoes is too much space at the top of our boots. Now, I understand that if you have smaller calves, that maybe your boots are going to have a little bit of space at the top of them. But wearing boots that have a huge amount of gaping and space at the top of your leg is only going to make you look cheap. It's going to look very ill-fitted and definitely not well presented. So a few ways that we can fix the ill-fitted shoes is to wear boots that are closely fitted to our ankle or to the calves of our legs, or just boots that are more fitted. Now, one of the tricks that I've learned when you are fitting boots for your legs is if you can fit 1 or 2 fingers off into your boot, that is a good fitting boot. Now, if you can fit your whole hand inside your boot or a fist, then that boot is way too big. So we need to pay attention to gaping within our shoes and too much space in our shoes, because it definitely makes you look cheap. And when you wear boots that are properly fitted to your leg, it not only elongates the leg, but it just makes everything look seamless, beautiful, elegant, and well put together. Pay attention to the fit of the shoes, because after all, if the shoes do not fit, then they are making you look cheap. So before we move on to my next tip, if you are enjoying this video, go ahead and smash that like button. And also, if you are stopping by my channel for the first time and you enjoy leveling up, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. And I am excited to welcome you to my community of elegance and grace. So let's get back into the video. The next way that your shoes can make you look cheap is wearing shoes that are scuffed up and have scrape marks on them. Even if you are well dressed and well put together, putting on a pair of shoes that are scuffed and scraped up is definitely going to make you look cheap. Now, what I like to do is outfit planning. Some people plan for the week. I plan for the next day. So if you are intending to wear a pair of pumps or a pair of sandals or loafers, take a look at those loafers or shoes the day before, and if you need to remove some scuff marks off of them, then I have a great tool for you. Now, Amazon sells a great shoe cleaner, and the marks literally come off your shoes within minutes. So ladies, there is no reason for us to walk around with scuffs and scrape marks on our shoes, because no matter what you put on and how well put together you look, if your shoes have scuffs and scrape marks, they are going to make you look cheap. And I know, ladies, that none of us want to look cheap. Now, the next way that your shoes can make you look cheap involves wearing sneakers. I love wearing sneakers, and this is a very European thing. I even love to wear sneakers with skirts and dresses. So the next thing I want to talk about is how you wear your sneakers. So if you are wearing your socks where they show outside of your sneakers, then this is going to make you look cheap. Now, a very simple way to fix this, ladies, is to wear no-show socks. No-show socks have been out for many, many years, and they are very, very efficient when you are wearing sneakers. And you don't want the socks to show above the sneakers, because this really does downgrade your outfit and it makes you look cheap. So the way to fix that is you want to wear the no-show socks, and you want everything to look very elegant, very seamless, and you don't want any socks showing outside of your sneakers. And this just pulls the outfit together. It makes everything look very seamless, very polished, and very beautiful. So wearing no-show socks can prevent you from looking cheap. Now, the next way that your shoes can make you look cheap is wearing the wrong color shoes with the wrong color hosiery. Now, ladies, do I even need to elaborate on this? Because wearing black hosiery with white shoes is definitely the wrong thing to do. It is going to make you look cheap. It's going to make you look like you don't know what color of shoes to pair with your hosiery. So we should always take a look at the color of the shoes that we are wearing with the type and color of hosiery that we are wearing. So the way to fix that, ladies, is to always pair a black pair of heels with black leggings or black hosiery. This is going to give you a very elegant, seamless, and classy look. And not only does pairing black on black elongate your legs, but it really does look elevated and polished. And there is something about wearing black heels and black hosiery that really does just elevate the legs. It makes your legs look a lot longer, and it just makes you look more polished and put together. The next way that your shoes can make you look cheap is wearing shoes that are not well made, that are not well stitched, and that have glue showing around the bottom of the heel or glue showing around the sides of the shoe. And I want to show you, ladies, because I have recently made this mistake. Now, these are the sneakers that I recently purchased, and they were on sale. And this is what I mean. Sometimes cheap is not better. So we need to look at the quality and the stitching on the shoes. We need to look at whether or not there is any glue showing around the surface of the shoe. And a shoe that is well made is not going to have any exposed glue around the edges. And so look at this shoe, ladies. Already the stitching on the interior of this shoe has come apart. And I am really mad at myself because I did not pay attention to this. So even I have made this mistake, ladies, but we want to pay attention to this because I know that this shoe is not going to last much longer. Now, to rectify the problem that I made, I ordered myself a very high quality pair of sneakers because I love to wear sneakers all the time when my husband and I are traveling, especially in Europe. So I ordered these sneakers from a Spanish brand, and they are called Patina. And you can really look at the difference in the quality on this sneaker and the one I just showed you. The inside is leather, and you can see how well made this shoe is with how the stitching is on the exterior of this shoe and also the interior. It is 100% leather, and you don't see any exposed glue or anything around the edges of this shoe. Now, this shoe was an investment, but I will get a lot of wear out of it when my husband and I are traveling in Europe, and we do have some trips coming up. So having well-crafted shoes in your wardrobe is going to prevent you from looking cheap. Now, the next way that your shoes can make you look cheap is to have the caps missing on the heels. Now, ladies, I know that most of us have had this happen to our heels, and when your heels start clicketing and clacketing on the concrete, it is time to get that repaired. And when the shoes look like this, it's time to just throw them away. Just throw them out, ladies, and get another pair of shoes, because once the leather peels all the way up on the heels and the caps have come off, it's time to just get another pair of shoes. Now, the only reason I would keep a pair of shoes with the leather peeling up and the caps off is that if it was an investment pair of shoes. Now, investment pair of shoes, you want to take them to a cobbler and have them to repair as much as possible. But if it's just a shoe that you paid $100 or less for, it is time to move on from these, ladies. These will definitely make you look cheap, because not only is everybody that is going to be walking behind you going to be wondering what the noise is from your shoes, but it's going to just make you feel insecure when you are walking into a building or walking into a restaurant and you hear the click, click, clack, clack on the concrete or the floors. This is so embarrassing, ladies, and it's definitely going to make you look cheap. So let's not do this. And now the last way that your shoes can make you look cheap is wearing heels that are way too tall. Now, ladies, if you are over 40 and you are wearing heels that are way too tall for you, or they're very difficult to walk in, then this is going to make you look cheap. As elegant ladies, we do not want to wear shoes where we're going to have to hold on to a wall or hold on to somebody's shoulder to be able to walk in. So we want to make sure that the heel height is appropriate for what we are accustomed to. Have you ladies ever seen a woman get up out of a chair with 6-inch heels on and kind of wobble across the floor because she was unable to stand in those shoes? No matter how well dressed she is, the shoes make her look cheap, and it's going to make people wonder if you are actually capable of dressing yourself in the proper way. So as an elegant lady, we want to check the height of our heels. And if the heel is too tall for you to stand on your own 2 feet and walk across the floor, then leave them in the store. Because if you don't, you're going to look cheap. So those are all the tips I have for you ladies today. And if you are landing on my channel for the first time, my name is Teresa, and this channel is all about leveling up and becoming more elegant and more graceful, and I share many tips on elegance and grace. So if this is something you are interested in, then I would love to have you subscribe to the channel. So go ahead and subscribe right down here, and also don't forget to turn on your notification bell so that you get notified every time one of these videos go live. Thanks for watching, ladies, and I'll see you in the next one.